Hi, this is Jed, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy way of installing this Wi-Fi smart LED bulb right here. But before we go to that, let me just go ahead and unbox this thing right here because it doesn't really contain that much. So in the box you get the bulb itself. It's a 12 watt bulb, I suppose. Not sure if it's a 9 watt bulb or a 12 watt bulb. I'm gonna put the details of the item in the description down below. So, and also in the box here is the instruction manual right here, or the user manual. Now there are detailed steps here, like there are even pictures of the screen of the app where you can control the bulb. But what I'm going to show you today the simple and easy way of setting it up. Okay, so let's just go right ahead and install this bulb in my kitchen area. Okay, let's go. So before installing the bulb, be sure to install the Smart Life app first from the Play Store. So just go ahead and search for Smart Life, download it, open it, and log in if you already have an account like myself. Or if not, you can just go ahead and sign up with your email account. So after installing the app, just go ahead and turn off the wall switch of the light. And go ahead and replace the original regular LED light bulb with the new Wi-Fi smart LED bulb. And then you can go ahead and turn the wall switch back on. And if the Wi-Fi smart LED bulb blinks rapidly, it means it's in pairing mode. So you can just go back to your Smart Life app and start pairing the device. So we can go to add device and lighting, and then just input your Wi-Fi username and password. And then once it's done pairing, then you can start using the smart bulb. So in here you can personalize the name of the smart bulb and assign it to a room. So in this case, I'm going to name it as kitchen light. So let me just go ahead and type it in here. Good. Okay, just give me a moment here. Okay, so all right, kitchen light. All right, there you go. So I'm just gonna name this kitchen light. Then I can start using it. So as you can see here, if I tap kitchen light tile right there, you can go to a screen where you can control the light, turn it on or off, and those two sliders down below, you can adjust the brightness as well as the warmth and the coolness of the light. So you can also change the color of the light bulb. And also there are some scene modes here as well, but in here you can still control the brightness of the light bulb. Okay, and then you can turn it over to the scene mode. So if you try to check out working, leisure, soft, colorful, and if I'm not mistaken, you can also personalize each scene mode. And the next one there is music. At this point, I'm not going to be able to test it because I don't want to be playing any music. And you can go to the schedule, so you can set up a timer or a schedule when the light bulb turns on or off, or even change scenes. And it's pretty handy. So you can go back here and turn the light bulb off. Okay, so that's it for the installation of the Wi-Fi smart LED bulb. Now, there's just one thing that you need to note. So if you start using the Wi-Fi smart bulb, you will need to put the wall switch that, you know, turns that bulb on or off to always on position. Otherwise, if you turn that off, you will lose control of the bulb in your smartphone. So if you notice, what I did with the wall switch that I have is I put like a cover on it so that I won't be able to accidentally turn the bulb off, because we have this. If you've been using that wall switch for a very long time, you'll have that sort of muscle memory and accidentally turn it on or off. So there, that was just a quick and simple and easy way to install that smart bulb. So I know there are a lot of videos out there that could go in depth with what smart LED bulbs can do, but in this video I just showed you how you can get started with your entry to the world of smart home. And that's going to be through items like the smart bulb or the smart switch or smart outlets perhaps. So yeah, and by the way, that's it for this video, guys. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, just click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more videos from me. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.